Right now, while you're watching this, your mind is already somewhere else, racing ahead to the next thing, replaying the last thing, running a background process you didn't choose and can't seem to close. This isn't a focus problem, it isn't a willpower problem. It's a nervous system stuck in a state of alert it was never designed to hold all day, every day. And the longer it stays there, the harder it becomes to think clearly, sit still, or actually rest. We're living through the most cognitively overloaded moment in human history. Constant notifications, constant switching, constant low-grade urgency. The result, a mind that's always half on, racing at night when it should be winding down, scattered during the day when it needs to focus, reactive in moments that call for calm. Over time, this isn't just uncomfortable, it reshapes how you show up. Patience shortens, sleep gets harder to reach. The gap between how I want to respond and how I actually respond gets wider. The question isn't, can I push through this? You already are. The question is what it's quietly costing you while you do. ANF Care Neuro Calm works with 3 frequency-charged amplifiers. 2 sit just behind each ear. One carries a delta signal, not sedation, repair. The other carries an alpha signal, flow, focus that doesn't feel forced. The third sits at the base of your neck, at C7. This amplifier carries a frequency program designed to ease the disturbance before it spreads. Together, these signals support your nervous system in shifting out of high alert and back into coherence, the natural, balanced state your body is built to return to if it's given the signal to do so. This is biocoherence, not forcing calm, but restoring your body's access to it. Here's where it compounds. Used consistently, NeuroCalm doesn't just create a calmer moment, it retrains the baseline. Each session of true nervous system coherence builds on the last. Your resting state shifts. Reactivity softens. The racing mind that used to be your default becomes the exception, and stillness becomes what's normal. Focus stops feeling like something you have to fight for. Rest stops feeling like something you have to earn. Calm isn't something you find by trying harder. It's something your body already knows how to do when it gets the signal. ANF Care Neuro Calm. Restore your coherence.